Hello viewers, let's learn about types of animals. Animals based on body structure. Vertebrate animals are having backbone. Warm-blooded animals that are mammals and birds. Cold-blooded animals are reptiles, amphibians, fish. Invertebrates are animals that do not have a backbone. Arthropods are invertebrate animals have an exoskeleton and jointed legs, for example insects, arachnids and crustaceans. Mollusks are invertebrate soft-bodied animals often with a shell. For example snails, octopuses and clams. Annelids are invertebrate animals that are segmented worms, for example earthworms and leeches. Cnidarians are aquatic animals with tentacles, for example jellyfish, coral, sea anemones. Echinoderms are marine animals with spiny skin, for example starfish and sea urchin. Sponges are simplest animal filter feeders, for example sea sponges. Classification by diet: herbivores animals that eat plants, for example elephants and deer. Carnivores animals eat meat, for example tigers, wolves. Omnivores animals eat both plants and animals, for example hares and humans. Classification by habitat: terrestrial animals live on land, for example lions, elephants and snakes. Aquatic animals live in water, for example whales, fish, jellyfish. Amphibious animals live both on land and in water, for example frogs and crocodiles. Aerial animals spend most of their time in the air, for example birds, bats, insects like butterflies. Arboreal animals live in trees, for example monkeys, sloths and koalas. Classification by reproduction: oviparous animals lay eggs, for example birds, reptiles and amphibians. Viviparous animals give birth to live young, for example mammals like humans, dogs and whales. Oviviparous animals' eggs hatch inside the mother and the young are born live, for example some are sharks, rays and snakes. Classification by behavior: nocturnal animals active at night, for example owls, bats, hedgehogs. Diurnal animals active during the day, for example squirrels, eagles, elephants. Social animals live in groups, for example ants, lions, dolphins. Solitary animals prefer to live alone, for example tigers, leopards, pandas. Classification by movement: flying animals can fly using wings, for example birds, bats, insects like bees. Crawling animals move by crawling, for example snakes, lizards, worms. Swimmers animals are adapted for swimming, for example fish, seals, penguins. Climbers animals can climb trees or steep surfaces, for example monkeys, geckos, bears. Classification by physiological features: cold-blooded animals maintain a constant body temperature, for example reptiles, amphibians, fish. Warm-blooded animals changes their body temperature with environment, for example mammals, birds.